Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off live photos on your iPhone. If you prefer capturing standard still photos instead of live photos, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Camera app on your iPhone and make sure you're in photo mode, as this is where live photos are usually enabled by default. At the top of the screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a set of concentric circles. This is the Live Photos icon. To turn off live photos, just tap on this icon. You'll notice the icon change from yellow to white with a slash through it, indicating that live photos is now disabled. From this point on, your iPhone will capture standard still photos instead of live photos. But if you want to ensure that live photos stays off permanently, there's one more step. Head over to your iPhone's settings and scroll down and tap on Camera, and then select Preserve Settings. In the Preserve Settings menu, you'll see an option for Live Photo. Toggle this on to preserve the setting you chose so that the next time you open the Camera app, live photos will remain off. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy taking standard still photos without having to worry about live photos turning back on every time you use your camera. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.